Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Saiko No Sutoka for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Saiko No Sutoka for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for this website on your search bar, since this is where we can download the game. Make sure to enter it correctly so you can be directed to the website automatically. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download Saiko No Sutoka on this website, we will need to find the game first, so just search for the game right here. And after searching, you will now be able to see the game, just go and click it. And after clicking it, you will now be directed to the downloading page of the game. So here at the downloading page, you will be able to see this download button right here, but this one is for the paid version, so if you want to download the game for free, I want you to scroll down and then you will now be able to see the download options for the free version of the game. So just select any download button depending on your device. In my case, I'm using a Windows laptop, so this is what I will select. And after that, the zip file for the game will now start downloading. This zip file will contain the installation file for the game, so just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the zip file to open. And once you've opened the zip file, I want you to open this folder. And here in this folder, you will now be able to see all the files of the game, but among these files, I want you to only focus at the .x file since this is the only file we will need to use to play the game. But before you click the .x file, you will need to extract this zip file first because you won't be able to open it without extracting the zip file. So to do that, just click this extract button right here. And after that, you can now extract the file. But before you click the extract button, I want you to make sure that this option is checked or enabled since this ensures that once the zip file was extracted, you will be directed to the extracted version automatically, so you won't need to waste your time finding the extracted version of the file. And once you're sure that the option is enabled, you can now click the extract button. And after clicking it, the extraction process will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you will now be directed to the extracted version of the file. So now that we have extracted the file, next, we will need to create a shortcut for the game so we can add it to our desktop home screen. So to do that, first, I want you to select the .x file. Once you've selected the game file, next, I want you to right-click it. And then go to Show More Options. And after that, there it is guys. You will now be able to see the Create Shortcut button right here, so just go and click it. And after clicking it, you will now have the shortcut version of the game, so you can now drag the shortcut file to add it to your desktop home screen. And then there you go guys, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have the game installed on your desktop home screen, so you can now start playing it. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.